heard a knock on the door. And a voice said, "Archbishop, open for me. It is me. It is me. Open for me." And Daddy knew the voice. So he said, "What is it at this time? What is it?" He said, "You open, I need some help." So he opened. As soon as he opened like this, we were standing behind him. He was pushed from the door to the end of the wall. So they were called for a meeting with other bishops. And so he went for that meeting. The president. Idi Amin then. So he went, and that was the last we saw of him. It's our neighbor who came running with the radio in her hand. Like this. They have killed him, they have killed him. So that's how we got the news.